What's up, my people? Welcome back to another video of life up north. And today I'm just doing a vlog. So I'm heading to Evergreen Park. That's where they do the races. It's for me, it's just a little family drive out. It's about 15 minutes from where we live. 15 to 20, no, not so long. 15 minutes.
It's about 10 minutes. It's
10
not
minutes.
15 minutes.
And the kids love it. It's a family outings too, or a family settings where a lot of kids are there. They have a sand pit. It's playing. Zuri wants to play in it, but no, because they get all dirty and stuff. So come with me. Nice, Zuri. So yes, my people, another day at the races is just like a chill out spot for us. At chill out on a Saturday with my kids because they love coming out here and they love the horses. You do, Zuri? Yep. And let me just show you around a bit. Oops. Let me just show you a little bit around. I think we do have 2 more races leave, so I just came and they're lining up for, I think that will be race number 6. So they have just run with race number 5 and now we have 2 more races to go. Yep, and they're lining up over there. You. Showing up.
And Kanoka is
Zuri, you want me to come? We're going around the kids' side, so let me show my people. I'm coming back. It's okay. How it is around here, and of course, it's a bush truck. The previous race winning.
Juice. I put something aside.
And that's the stand. Not like Caymanas Park, a bit empty looking. Hello. Oh, and there is the main court. I mean, food, betting, everything. But no, I don't bet. I just come out here for the fun of it and for the Jamaican jockeys. Oh yeah, they have the kids part around here with the sand and everything. No, I don't want you to play in the sun.
That's what I was about to say.
Huh?
What
What do you want? What you say? What are you about to say?
I was going to say, I want to play with it, but you don't let me play in it because you don't want me getting dirty.
Yeah, you'd be very dirty if you play in the sun. See? Why do you want to play in the sun?
They don't look so dirty.
You're gonna dirty up your white clothes and all your clothes. Huh? Continue what? Okay. And for food, hot dogs, burgers, pop, whatever you want. Yep. What happened? Where you going, Mama? Where you going? Fix your blouse. Hey, Zuri, come. Come this side. Come. So there, this is what, race number 6 coming up. So they are coming out. I do not have a program, so I don't know the lineup, but I'm going to get one shortly. I'll get the information. This is posted and show whatever. I'll get the information and then post it. Mr. Simpson, Mr. Foster, Medea. What's up? Right. I can do that. Oh, I can do that too. Where?
Are those ducks over there?
Oh yeah. Are those really ducks or maybe they're ducks. Let me see.
the blink of an eye opens up by 3 with the far on to the wire. Calculated down the stretch. Strategic position in command and in control. Step by 6. Play back to the rest of the racing. Play back up the time. For end of the race.
For this one, they're racing from all the way over there. So the starting point was down there before, but now it's up there. And they're off. And they're off. It's going so quickly. This is the final race of the day, by the way. Onto the wire. Alin, is it Alin? I don't know. One thing for sure, when Alin is on, when Alin is on the track, he comes to win. And he's pushing it. Very competitive. That's what I see with him. He's very competitive.
Okay. You might want to get a picture.
Blandford, Allen.
Sorry. Sorry.
I want to ride a horse now. Oh.
Let me go see Allen at the winner's circle. Laris Allen.
I'm sorry.
Hey Laris. Last race of the day. Hi. What's your name, sir?
Lyle Magnuson.
Lydman. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did an interview with him.
Yeah, I know.
It's on
I see
YouTube.
it.
You see it? Oh, great. You're watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing. I was just saying that
Thanks.
when you're on the track,
Yeah,
you are there to win.
yeah, I'm there to win.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I'm
Good
there to win.
race. The
right.
last race of the day.
Thank you.
And you're the winner.
Yeah, all
Great.
right. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm here again with your boy, Orlando Foster. Well, go on.
Blessings, man, every time I hear that.
Still the leading jockey.
Always, always. Born winner.
15 wins.
15 wins now.
Yeah, go on with yourself.
Why you have to do it? You know, my little brother at home, Jamaica doing it.
Tevin.
Yeah, win
You
the
win the
Oaks.
Derby.
You win the Derby too.
You
You
win
win
the
the
Oaks. You won the Oaks.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
it
man,
runs in the
faster.
family.
Yes, man. The fastest them are born winner, man, every time, you know what I mean? Yes, man. And bless up, local brother, Tevin Foster. Just continue to do it, you understand? Yeah, man. What
That's
over
it.
there, so I cheer for you. Yes, man.
Yeah, man. That's enough. Go and mash it up.
Yeah.
2 more weeks here.
2 more weeks.
And after that, Lethbridge.
Lethbridge, you go back to Lethbridge.
Alright. So,
Yes, man.
how it look like? You're going to close off as the leading jockey.
Yes.
Or the leading
yes.
rider.
The leading rider. in
Definitely,
Grand Prairie, Evergreen
definitely.
Park.
Yep.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
yes.
then you're going to go down to Lethbridge and same treatment.
We're going back to Lethbridge for 7 more weeks. Yes.
Same treatment.
Well, hopefully.
Alright, no worry yourself.
Hopefully, as long as I get the right materials, them, you know what I mean. I put the materials them to use, you know. Get them delivered. Yes, you know.
Alright, that's enough.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Remember, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and leave a like. Life up north. Comment. Subscribe. Yes, man. Rochelle, bless up every time.
Take care.